Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration and guys ringtone setting. Guys, in this video friends I will show you guys how can you set your phone ringtone in your realme phone. Friends, you want to set ringtone in your realme phone, so friends how can you set? In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel guys and guys you are watching my video first time, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends, and first of all open your phone setting to set your phone ringtone. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration guys, tap here and guys click on your ringtone setting. So which ringtone guys you like guys, you can set from electronics, holiday like dance ringtone guys. So example we will click on guys this that is a dance ring song. Tap here again, tap guys. So with this phone ringtone will set into dance, and guys you can adjust your phone volume from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set phone ringtone in a realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.